Mercical 14 under Battle 16. Jana Polinar of Coast AD Badminton 3. Bailey Go of Court 7 versus Zepia Villacorta. Please proceed to players assembly area.
Out. Nice one, very good. Outside na yun eh.
Boys Eagles 12 under quarterfinals. JD Kapatay of FTC versus Xavier Yan of Court 7. Please proceed to players assembly area. Bailey Go of Court 7. Please proceed to...
Boy, ulitin mo pa. Palit-palit. Para may highlights tayo. Yan. Tingin.
Girls Eagles 14 under Rano 16. Teya 14 under Teya Rohel of Coach AJ Badminton 20.
Nakita ka sa langit.
Yeah. Nice one.
Under quarterfinals, Frost Rojas of KBLDC versus Chow Lulang of FBC. Board number 5.
Wish lang.
Girls Eagles 14 under Ronald 16. Jana Polinar of Coach AJ Badminton 20 versus Jubil Alberta.
Okay, diretso mo na. Mamaya na natin itataas. Pagkalaro mo na.
Saan punta? Oh, nakadalawa ka na dun ah. Ay, ulit mo pa. Ulit.
Girls ADC, please proceed to players assembly area. Girls Eagles 14 under Ronald 16 MPC. Please proceed to players assembly area. Girls Eagles 14 under Ronald 16.
Ayun na.